Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your social responsibility with Ben & Jerry's step-by-step clearly. Begin by understanding what social responsibility means in the context of a business. Identify the core values that Ben & Jerry's promotes, such as environmental sustainability and social justice. Research the specific social initiatives that the company has implemented over the years. Review your own organization's current social responsibility practices. Conduct a comparison between your practices and those of Ben & Jerry's. Analyze the gaps you have identified in your current practices. Set clear, measurable goals for improving your organization's social impact. Engage your employees in discussions about social responsibility. Gather their ideas on how to align your organization's values with those of Ben & Jerry's. Create an action plan based on the feedback from your team. Incorporate Ben & Jerry's approach to sourcing fair trade ingredients. Explore ways to collaborate with local communities and nonprofits. Ensure that your marketing strategies highlight your new social responsibility initiatives. Monitor your progress regularly to assess the effectiveness of your changes. Be open to feedback from both employees and customers. Adjust your approach as needed to better fulfill your social responsibility goals. Celebrate milestones and achievements to motivate your team further. Keep educating yourself about current social justice issues to stay relevant. Consider sharing your journey publicly to inspire others in the industry. Continue to evolve your strategies to ensure lasting positive impact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.